Hello, the most popular question that I received this week from potential investors is based around competition. And surely there are competition for DigiTally. I combine them into three different sections. Number one is pen and paper counting and using Excel spreadsheets. That's number one. They tend to be labor intensive, double entry afterwards. And for a multi-site operation, it's not ideal because if there's an error in an Excel spreadsheet, it can go on for months before that's actually realized. And as well, the amount of training that it takes to get that right. It tends to be focused on one person who knows the system. When that person moves on, it's far from ideal. They take the system with them. A lot of our customers want to go lean in their operational efficiency, and to do that, they need to go digital. That's where DigiTally comes in. The second then is professional stock takers, which I have a lot of experience of. The challenge with them is when it's for one site, then that might be okay. But when it's weekly stock takes on a particular time, it's very difficult for a professional business to actually commit to that. And it can be more expensive in the shorter term for people who need to be doing it at a particular time frequently or in multiple sites. You can't be in more place at one time. The third is then software providers and including EPOS companies. They tend to be complex to use. They're big pieces of software, but they tend to focus on barcoded product, things that scan. DigiTally doesn't scan. You see, our customers buy in ingredients and then they can make an item through a food production process to make a selling recipe. EPOS companies tend to focus on the finished product, whereas DigiTally focuses on the raw product being bought in, because that's what generates their gross profit margin. So also, when people are using these other software systems, they tend to focus on some niche areas such as allergens, recipe costings, temperature control, these type of things. Whereas DigiTally is very specific, very simple, and all stakeholders benefit. So that's I hope answers the question. DigiTally is now a great time to invest. It's getting very exciting. We're at 41% of our goal, our fundraising goal, and as of this week, we've achieved our 2020 sales goal of 350% above 2019. It's a great opportunity. If you want to join us, I'd love to help in answering more questions. Thank you.